Okay guys, so I forgot to film a video intro for the catch and cook, and I was like, well, might as well go ahead and film it now and mention that I am doing a giveaway, and I'm giving away this Cast King Spartacus bait cast reel for hitting 1,000 subs, and it has been a while since I've hit 1,000 subs, so sorry for that. I kind of just pushed it off and haven't done it. But if you guys want to enter to win this reel right here, it's a really nice reel. I bought it and I literally used it like one time just to see like if I would like Cast King, just kind of expanding my like reel selection. But I think I'm gonna stick with 1-3 Fishing and Shimano for now. But Cast King does make a very nice reel, and this one is super nice. It casts super smooth, reel super smooth, and it handles big fish just as well as a $200 reel. And I've seen plenty of reviews on it on YouTube, so yeah. But if you guys want to win this reel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can enter, because I use a random subscriber generator and it only picks you if you're subscribed. But to enter, subscribe and turn on the post notifications, because this isn't the giveaway video. This is just like mentioning the reel and the giveaway itself. So make sure you have post notifications on, because I'm going to be filming a video where I actually do the giveaway, and there's going to be special rules in that video. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's catch and cook. We went out, caught some hybrids, caught some stripers, and you guys will see in the next video I caught a pretty tanky fish, and I'm not going to mention anything about it right now, but if you guys turn on post notifications, you will see it. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys soon. Well, if I can just connect with like 1 or 2 more decent fish, I'd have myself a good video.
No, buffalo. Yeah, the buffalo were hitting like right there.
Well, I couldn't get away from the buffalo yesterday.
Like right where my splash was?
Yeah, no, there's like a,
right there.
There was like a drop off last year where like if you just cast it and let it drop right in there, you caught a buffalo every cast.
Yeah.
I came down here to keep fish so I could have fish when I go home, and I threw back a 4.5 pound hybrid and an 8.5 pound striper. I just looked at the striper and I was like, I ain't gonna fit in my bucket. There we go. What we got? Oh, we got a white. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. She'll be an eater. So we're gonna keep this one, and maybe, just maybe, we'll catch a few more. I don't know. I just have a problem keeping like this big hybrid sometimes. They're good eating.
Are they?
Yeah.
I've never had a hybrid.
It's just like, it's a little gamey. It's not bad. Probably should have kept it. I feel like an idiot now. I'll keep it next time. There we go. Finally hooked up. Oh, that's a hybrid, I think. Oh, yeah. I was talking about keeping a hybrid, and I think I have a hybrid. He might not be bad. He might not be bad, boys. Oh. Oh, don't take me in the rocks. Come on, buddy. Oh.
Where's he at?
Right in front of me.
Oh, shoot. He's out there, right? Oh, no, that wasn't me. You got him?
Yeah, there you go. Hey, that's an eater. That is an eater indeed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, bud. We ain't going hungry tonight.
Are you filming?
Oh yeah.
For real?
Yeah, dog. Oh yeah, bud. Nice little, what do you think? 5-pound hybrid? Little eater. See, basically he's gotta talk crap on the hybrids and talk crap on my fishing game on catching hybrids and keeping them, and then you'll catch them.
I'm gonna say 6'3".
6'3", I'm gonna guess like 5'2", 5'3". 5'1".
Wow, I haven't seen a fish in a while.
But look at the gut on it though. Look at that.
Oh, that's why I thought.
He's full of shadleys, and he's gonna be eaten.
That one, John.
It's about time I caught one. Oh god, I put him in here head first, I take it. Or not. Yes, you know me. Smooth like butter. Think my little fit on there? Just cover him up.
Did you see that hybrid?
There we go. About time I freaking caught a hybrid though. Or another hybrid. Oh, I need to take a picture of them, but I'll do that later. All reliable right there. The hybrid catcher. Well, I won't feel so bad not catching a fish now if I don't catch any for the rest of this video. So I got 2 that I can cook up when I get home. I got 2 very nice fish.
One eternity later.
Alright, well, we got a hybrid, a white bass. It might be worth eating. So, see you at the car. Alright guys, I probably said meet you back at the car, but I got sidetracked and I'm back in my house now. But I've got Steven with me, and I've got the 2 fish. We got 1 hybrid and 1, ooh, a little dark, and 1 white bass, which I'll show you, and I stick them back on the table here. We got these 2 fish we're gonna fillet up. Maybe Steven will fillet them up for us. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna show it, just due to the fact that some people and YouTube don't like seeing gory things, and well, it's gonna be bloody and there's gonna be guts and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and fillet this up, and then we're gonna go inside, show you what recipe we're gonna use, and we're gonna fry it up, and Steven's gonna review it for us. So I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, we're done filleting the fish. This isn't all of it. We have another bowl, but we got a couple little nugs and a couple actual fillets. Yes, the white bass and the hybrid, they have red meat. But it's okay, because this recipe is going to overpower the taste of gaminess, hopefully. But we've got some flour, with some salt and pepper, and then we got Frank's hot sauce. One of my favorite recipes, and I'm gonna hand the camera to Steven. He's going to film me putting this stuff together, throwing in this hot oil, and cooking it up. Alright, so first things first. Open up our bag of flour here. We're gonna take the fillets, drop them in there. Then we're gonna close it up nice and tight, leave some air in there. Do this little deal. Shake her nice, get it nice and coated. And then we're gonna pull the fillets out of this bag, and we're gonna drop it into our Frank's hot sauce. Same thing, zip her up nice and tight. Leave some air in there. Shake it up, get a nice coating of Frank's hot sauce. And then we're gonna take some tongs, or I guess I can use my hands, I guess it don't matter. And we're gonna take the fillets out of the Frank's, shake it off, and then drop it back in the flour. That's the key to a crispy little fish fillet. We're gonna zip it back up. Same thing, shake it, get a nice coating of flour onto the fillet. And then, hopefully our oil's not too hot, we're gonna drop the fillet into the oil. Okay, maybe it's not hot enough, but I think it'll be alright. We'll turn it up just a little bit. So, we're gonna do this process with all the fillets, and then we'll be back with you with some cooked fish fillets. Alright, well, first of all, excuse the lighting. That light bulb also turned off. Don't know why. But the lighting in this house is absolute dog. I just put a new light bulb in and it literally just went out. But anyways, we got our fish fillets, or a few of them, done. So we're gonna go ahead, all three, hopefully not die eating this, test it out, the old Frank's recipe, and then we'll be on our way. So Steven, would you like the honors of the first bite? No? Okay. Well, we'll eat it all together then. Alright, ready? Just grab a piece. Flaky golden tenders. Might be a little gamey. We'll see. And then... I don't think it's that hot. Alright, ready? It's not even that hot. Wiener. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah.
Hot.
Mine tasted fine. Mine actually tasted like Frank's and fish. I added a little more salt and pepper to our flour, and you can tell big difference. But I don't know, I imagine you guys don't want to just sit here and watch me eat, so we're gonna cut this video off right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I attempted to catch fish, caught an absolute tanker of a hybrid. It wasn't that big, but it was big enough to eat. And if you guys would like to see some more catch and cooks, let me know in the comments below what fish you would like to see. Would you like to see crappie, catfish, bluegill, anything? And if you guys have a recipe you would like to share with me, let me know in the comments below. But the Franks and flour, it's not too bad. I guess this is goodbye. Say bye. Say bye, Steven.
Like and subscribe.
Facts. You can tell he's my brother. Alright, well, like you said, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Our goal is 10,000 subs by the end of the year, and we're not that far from it. Seems like we are, but we're really not. So I hope you guys enjoy and have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing. And folks, like always,
Stay hooked.